This is one of my favorite Christmas cookie recipe. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. For the gem heart cookie dough, I need 2 egg yolks and 125 gram of butter, 75 gram of sugar, mix it well, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 250 gram of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and combine everything well to a nice dough. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I add the dough to my working space. I create a nice dough ball. Roll the dough to a nice thin layer. If the dough sticks to the roller and you have trouble rolling it out, I just take a piece of plastic wrapping foil, put it on top, and then roll it out to a nice thin layer. It works every time perfect. If you enjoyed my video so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Once I rolled out my dough into a nice, even thin layer, I take off the wrapping foil and I use heart-shaped cookie cutters, a big one and a small one. I cut out all the heart shape. I make here first all the big hearts and then the small ones, but I make sure that I have even amounts of both of them. Once I cut out all the hearts, I make a dough ball again with all the pieces of dough, use my wrapping foil and roll the dough out to a thin layer again, and then cut out my hearts again. I got about 2 baking sheets of cookies. I place them into my preheated oven and bake them for about 10 or 15 minutes. It depends how you like them. I take about 100 gram of jam. I warm it up a little bit in the microwave and then brush it onto the bigger cookies and set the little cookie on top. Once I'm all done, I sprinkle some icing sugar on top. And this is how the cookies turned out. Now I try one. I like mine with a more sour jam. and they are so delicious. They are one of my favorites. Thank you for watching.